When you buy a car, you expect it to be reliable, safe, and a smart financial investment. But what if I told you there are vehicles on the market today that seem great on the surface? Modern designs, impressive tech features, and attractive price tags. But in reality, they're some of the worst decisions you could ever make. These cars aren't just unreliable. They're plagued with issues like early engine failures, transmission breakdowns, and repair costs that can drain your wallet faster than a leaking fuel tank. In this video, we're revealing 8 cars Consumer Reports says you should avoid in 2025. And make sure to stay until the end, because the number 1 car on this list is so bad, it's being discontinued in the US market. If you're in the market for a new car, or you just want to avoid a financial nightmare, this is a video you can't afford to skip. Let's dive in. Mitsubishi Mirage. The cheapest car isn't always the best deal. The Mitsubishi Mirage is one of the cheapest new cars in America, but it's also one of the least reliable. Its tiny 1.2L 3-cylinder engine produces just 78 horsepower, making highway driving nerve-wracking. Poor crash test ratings and multiple airbag-related recalls further damage its reputation. Owners also report frequent CVT transmission failures, with replacements costing over $4,500. Nearly a third of the car's price. With a 10-year maintenance cost of $5,200 and Mitsubishi discontinuing the Mirage in the US after 2025. This car proves that cheap isn't always affordable in the long run. GMC Sierra 1500. Strong on paper, weak in reality. The GMC Sierra 1500 looks like a solid full-size pickup with powerful engines and a bold design. But 2014 to 2021 models have been plagued by widespread issues. Common problems include transmission failures, excessive oil consumption, and electrical system malfunctions. One recall involved engine block heaters that posed a fire risk in cold climates. Fuel economy averages just 17 mpg combined, and when towing, it's even worse. Combined with high maintenance costs and insurance premiums, the Sierra 1500 may not be the workhorse you're hoping for. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Eco-friendly headaches, family nightmares. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid promised to combine family practicality with environmental responsibility. But in practice, it has been plagued with serious problems. Owners of 2018 to 2023 models report failures in the hybrid battery system, random shutdowns while driving, and charging system malfunctions. Frozen infotainment screens and unresponsive controls add to the list of annoyances. Over 67,000 units have been recalled for electrical and transmission defects. And if the hybrid battery needs replacing outside warranty, you're looking at a $10,000 plus repair bill. Even with its EPA rating of 82 mpg, the Pacifica Hybrid's reliability issues make it a questionable choice for families. Land Rover Discovery Sport. Luxury comes at a price. Land Rover has a reputation for luxury and capability, but the Discovery Sport struggles to live up to it. 2024 models suffer from constant electrical gremlins, climate control failures, and suspension problems. Repair costs are extremely high due to the need for specialized parts and service. Consumer Reports data shows an average 10-year maintenance cost of $11,200, one of the highest in its class. If you're looking for a premium SUV, there are better options that won't leave you stranded or broke. Nissan Rogue. Affordable but unreliable. The Nissan Rogue sells well in the compact SUV segment thanks to its affordability and decent fuel efficiency. But hidden beneath that budget-friendly sticker price are costly problems. Models from 2019 to 2023 have been plagued by CVT, continuously variable transmission, failures. Owners report slipping gears, hesitation during acceleration, and in severe cases, complete transmission failure, often requiring replacements. Electrical issues aren't uncommon either, affecting everything from power windows to driver assist systems. While it offers an impressive 30 mpg combined, the Rogue's poor long-term reliability means it's a risky bet for buyers looking for peace of mind. Volkswagen Atlas. Big space, bigger problems. The Volkswagen Atlas was designed with American families in mind: 3 rows of seats, a spacious cabin, and sleek German styling. But it has a dark side. 2021-2024 models suffer from serious reliability issues. Owners report engine stalling, transmission problems, and repeated electronic failures. Some have even had to replace their engines before hitting 50,000 miles. The infotainment system, praised for its design, often freezes or glitches, adding frustration to daily commutes. Fuel economy averages 21 mpg combined. Factor in higher than average repair costs and insurance premiums, and the Atlas loses its appeal as a family-friendly SUV. Ford Explorer, America's favorite SUV gone wrong. The Ford Explorer has been a family favorite for decades. But recent models, especially from 2020 to 2024, have left many owners frustrated and out of pocket. Common complaints include transmission issues, jerky shifts, hesitation during acceleration, and even complete failures. Engine vibrations and malfunctioning infotainment systems are also widespread. Consumer Reports gives the Explorer one of the lowest reliability scores among mid-size SUVs. Fuel economy sits around 20 mpg combined, not terrible, but not impressive either. The average 10-year repair and maintenance costs about $7,800. Combine that with rapid depreciation, and the Explorer starts to look less like a smart investment and more like a money pit. Jeep Wrangler, off-road king, daily driving nightmare. The Jeep Wrangler is an American icon. It's rugged, fun, and unbeatable when it comes to off-road adventures. But if you're planning to use it as your daily driver, you might want to think twice. Consumer Reports ranks the Wrangler at the bottom of its reliability charts. Owners of 2021 to 2024 models report constant electrical issues, transmission failures, and even fuel leaks. The plug-in hybrid version, the Wrangler 4xe, faced massive recalls, over 194,000 units. Due to battery packs that posed a fire risk on paved roads, the Wrangler's stiff suspension and boxy design mean a bumpy, noisy ride. Steering feels loose at highway speeds, making long trips tiring and even unsafe. Fuel economy isn't great either. At just 15 mpg combined, it's one of the least efficient SUVs in its class. And with an average 10-year maintenance cost of over $7,500, the Wrangler may not be as adventurous for your wallet as it is for your weekend trips. So, there you have it. 8 cars that may look attractive on the surface, but under the hood, they're hiding headaches, heartbreak, and hefty repair bills. These aren't just cars to avoid, they're cautionary tales. Every year, thousands of buyers fall for sleek marketing and tempting price tags, only to realize later that they bought themselves into a financial nightmare. But now you know better. And we want to hear from you. Have you ever owned one of these cars? What was your experience like? Or maybe there's another vehicle you think deserves a spot on this list. Drop your story in the comments below. Your advice could save someone else from making the same mistake. If this video helped you avoid a bad decision, or confirmed one you already dodged, hit that like button to let us know. It really helps more people find this content. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because we're dropping more videos just like this, helping you make smarter, safer, and savvier car buying decisions. Remember, buying the right car isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about protecting your time, your wallet, and your peace of mind. Choose wisely.